Hey everybody, it's Troy with a video about how to share a project effectively across Mac and Windows. This project was one that I finished yesterday, and I needed to hand it off to marketing. They were going to do some work on the end to make sure that the call to action at the end was just right for them. So I was done with it for my part. I went up to the File menu and I chose Save Project as Template. Now what template does is, I'm just going to do this one, test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, and it is going to zip up everything into a one-click file that works on Mac and Windows as long as everyone's got the same version of the software, meaning 23 to 23, Camtasia 22 to 22, you're fine. If you want to share that, then you go to Manage Templates, and down here in the templates, they should be all in alphabetical order. By the way, the thumbnail for that is wherever the playhead was in your actual video. So to share it, I simply go to Export Template, and I'll hit Export. It will put it in Finder or Windows Explorer, whatever you're using. For me, right now, I've got OneDrive as my sharing destination. And it shows up here as test123 Cam template. I simply go and share that in OneDrive. Again, pretty simple to do, to share it also in Google Drive or DropBox, box.net, whatever it is that you got. And then everybody simply downloads that file, and they can edit it or they double click it, and then it will show up as a template in here. And when they get it, then they simply click New from Template, and they can start the project wherever you left off. Hope this helps. Thanks so much.